you hear that, right? Not that chat, that's a chattering noise. That's the lifters. They need to be adjusted. Very common on a 2.4 Honda engine. But under that, you can hear like a whiny noise. It's like, that is a problem we're going to get into. And guess what? 1A Auto sells the part, so you can fix it and save time. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to go over the top 5 problems we found on the 2nd generation Honda CR-V, including that noise. Let's get into it. Number 1, you're going down the road. It's kind of warm outside, so you turn on your AC. It's not cold. Blower's blowing, no cold air. Ugh. AC compressor, you guessed it. These are notorious for them kind of being catastrophic, but they stop working and they break down internally and send all that material through the system. It can be pretty expensive. I feel the AC condenser is what causes that compressor to just give away. And that's because the AC condenser is the cooling system to the AC compressor. And look at that damage. That's just from road dirt going down the road, taking all the damage in there. That is not doing its job. It's not cooling down that compressor, so the compressor overheats and it blows up. But 1A Auto has your back because we sell that condenser, compressor, lines, everything you're going to need to get back on the road. Number 2, yep, brake pulsation. Kind of common. Whenever you see rotors that are rusted like this or car sits, lightweight cars will get a compact on that brake pedal. Like, it's just the way that's designed. Now you can see a clear spot. That's where that pad is hitting, the only spot that pad is hitting. So that's a high spot, low spot. Shiny, not so shiny. That's going to cause a brake pulsation. This car has been sitting, so it's not fair to kind of diagnose it that way because these rotors look fairly new. Caliper doesn't look so great, so there could be other issues in this. But they do complain on this CR-V about a brake pulsation. Honda says turn the rotors or replace them. Well, we know you're going to replace them because you can get them fast from 1A Auto. That leads us to number 3. Yep, you guessed it, EVAP. Not just the gas cap, but the whole filler neck. That's what Honda says you need to replace when you get a check engine light on for a small EVAP leak. Don't do just the cap, do the whole filler neck. And I'll show you the location and how easy it is to get to. So that filler neck location is right behind the driver's rear wheel. Take that off. You'll see this big plastic housing. There's a couple of plastic screws. Once you take them out, you can actually take this out of the way. And voila, there's your filler neck. It's kind of easy to get to. The difficult part would be over there by the tank, but it goes right over the suspension and mounts to that gas tank. Number 4, driving down the road, it's raining out. You turn your wipers on, everything works great. Rain stops, you turn them off, they just keep going. Oh no, that's a problem. Yeah, Honda knows, and they say it is the wiper motor. It has a little short internally of that motor, so you have to replace the whole thing. That's it, number 5, leading back to the noise we opened with. It's right here. You heard it. If you listened close enough, you heard it. And if you guessed water pump, well, you guessed right. There it is, the water pump. This is actually the water pump for this car. We're going to replace it in the future because of that noise. And what happens is, right in here is a bearing. There's the pulley that lets the water go around, and this is the belt pulley on the outside, and that shaft that goes through has a bearing in there. And this will get a wobble to it, and those bearings make tons of noise. I wish I could pull it out right now and show you how much play is in it, but I think you get the idea.